How to use the ESPN application or website or software to watch live sports on your TV, on your PC, or on your mobile phone. For this, you just have to follow some of the steps. You can start streaming live sports events on ESPN Plus once you sign up through the ESPN app or the ESPN Plus website. If you have already signed up for ESPN Plus and looking to stream content through your devices, you must first log into your ESPN Plus account through the ESPN application on each device. For web browser, go to espn.com, then log in or sign up for ESPN Plus. Select the live content you want to watch from the ESPN Plus homepage. For the mobile device, what you have to do is download ESPN app from your device app store. Open the ESPN app and log in or sign up ESPN Plus. Tap the ESPN Plus icon and navigate to the bottom of the application app screen. Select the live content you want to watch from ESPN Plus homepage. This is how you can exactly do it. For TV connected device, repeat the same steps for the mobile device. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel for watching such short amazing review updates like that.